Is this conspiracy theory being worked out before the election because there is fear of loss? I want to ask you this, Waris Pathan ji. And Waris Pathan ji, while you are going to talk about this, please also tell us which side are you on?
We are with the Constitution. We are with the poor and the marginalized people of Bihar. And let me tell you, Navika, our party president, along with our delegation, also met the Election Commissioner of India, and we explained to the Election Commissioner that because of this SIR's exercise, what difficulties will be faced by the people of Bihar. The SIR which was started, the Election Commissioner, first of all, they did not take it to any of the political parties. They did not approach any of the people. They just started, okay, 24th June, they took out a circular that this is 1 month, this will get over, which is practically impossible. Now, against that, people, some of them have also moved the Honorable Supreme Court and they've challenged the SIR introduced by the Election Commissioner, which is violation of Article 14, 19, 1A, 21, 325, 326 of the Constitution and provisions of Representation of People's Act 1950 and registration of electoral rules 1860. If this is not aside, large-scale disenfranchisement will take place happen in Bihar. Now, if Navika, out of the 11 documents, if a person is not able to provide the document, if 5 documents are also not there, what will happen subsequently? That he will not be the citizenship. He will not have the citizenship of Bihar.
But it is 1 out of 11. It's not a question of providing 11 documents. It's only 1 out of the 11 that has to be supplied, and that also not for people who've had election cards before 2003.
Navika ji, what they are completely missing is that more than 50% of this is merely re-verification. They are not starting the process from scratch. 1 second, let me, Pathan Sahab, let me finish. Aapne apni baat bol di. Pathan Sahab, just listen to this. More than 50% is re-verification. The number of forms that have been distributed is already to 60% of the population. I don't know what they are crying on and on about. And very importantly,
why it is not a valid document right now? No, you tell me. No, why it is not a valid document right now? How can you change the policies just like that?
Okay.
What to finish?
All right, allow Waris Pathan to complete his points. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute. All right.
Ashwini ji, don't shout, please.
Waris Pathan. No. Ashwini ji, Waris Pathan, please.
नविका, लगता है लोगों को हिंदी में समझाना पड़ेगा, इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आ रहा, इसलिए बीच बीच में सब चिल्ला पुकार कर रहे हैं। अरे जो अगर डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं दे सका, जिसका अगर इलेक्टोरल रोल के अंदर नाम नहीं आया, उसका सिटीजनशिप भी चले जाएगा। एनआरसी का बैकडोर एंट्री, उसके साथ क्या करेंगे तुम लोग? उन लोगों का क्या करेंगे?
बांग्लादेशी का अगर चला जाएगा सिटीजनशिप, तो आपको डर क्यों है?
अरे भाई बाहर भेज देगा, मार डालेगा, क्या कर देगा? बताओ क्या करेगा?
कोई भी अब आप देखो, झूठ मत फैलाओ पठान साहब, झूठ मत फैलाओ। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है 11 डॉक्यूमेंट से कोई एक भी आप सबमिट करोगे, इट इज इनफ। सो हियर यू आर स्प्रेडिंग फेक न्यूज।
अरे कल हियरिंग होगा,
document to prove that I can be a voter?
Amongst others, yes.
No, they are not in this list. They are not. They were in the list of listing.
But अगर बनाए हुए किसी ने राशन कार्ड, तो वो भी तो देखना पड़ेगा।
डॉक्यूमेंट फर्जी नहीं बन सकते क्या? ये कौन सा लॉजिक हुआ कि वही डॉक्यूमेंट फर्जी बन सकते हैं?
हुनर आपके पास है तो आप तो बना ही लेंगे। क्या बात है? पॉइंट डर लग रहा है। 1 minute. Allow me to. I'm coming to you, Charu. Smita Prakash, I want to ask you, where is this fear coming from? It is not the first time that this intensive verification is going on. It has been done in the past by the Election Commission. It has been done in months' time by the Election Commission during the Congress regime. I want to know from you, why is everybody so agitated? Is it not fair for the Election Commission to see that only citizens of India can vote? Is it not true that people who have, got in from other borders into the state are not given voter cards? If that exercise of verification is going